Let's look at the multiplication and division of positive and negative numbers. Now, as we're doing these, I want you to examine the sign of the numbers, that is whether they're positive or negative, and the sign of the result. Okay, the first one, 4 times 3, answer is positive 12. Negative 2 times negative 4, the answer is positive 8. 8 divided by 4, now I can rewrite this as 8 over 4. The answer is 2, positive 2. Number 4, we have negative 10 divided by negative 2. I can rewrite that as negative 10 over negative 2. And the answer is 5. Number 5 here, negative 6 times 3. The answer is negative 18. 7 times negative 4. The answer is negative 28. Number 7 here, we have negative 12 divided by 3. I can rewrite this as negative 12 over 3. And we get negative 4. And the last one here, we have 18 divided by negative 6. Now again, I can rewrite this as 18 over negative 6. And the answer is negative 3. Now I want you to analyze the sign of the numbers in the first 4 examples and compare them to the last 4. Now here, the first 4, you'll notice a positive and a positive. Both numbers here are positive. In number 2, both numbers here are negative. In number 3, both numbers are positive. In number 4, both numbers are negative. In other words, the signs are the same in all of these first 4 examples. If you have a look at now the next 4 examples, these ones here, here we have a negative times a positive. We have a positive times a negative. We have a negative divided by a positive, and we have a positive divided by a negative. So you'll notice in these last 4 examples, the signs of the numbers are different. Now, if we look at the result of the first 4 examples, you notice the results here are all positive. In the last 4 examples, have a look here, the results are all negative. So the conclusion is this: when you're multiplying or dividing by numbers, when the signs of the numbers are the same, the result is always positive. When the signs of the numbers are different, the result is always negative. Now, this is summarized here in the notes. When we're multiplying and dividing by positive and negative numbers, we have 2 cases here. Case 1, when the signs of the 2 numbers are the same, i.e. both numbers are positive or both are negative, the result is always positive. As you can see here, positive times a positive gives a positive, negative times a negative gives a positive, and so on. Negative time divided by a negative gives a positive, and so on there. In case 2, when the signs of the 2 numbers are different, that is, one is positive and the other is negative, the result is always negative. As you can see here, positive times a negative gives a negative, and so on. Negative times a positive gives a negative. Negative divided by a positive gives a negative, and so on.